Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find the x value. Solution: square root of x plus square root of x minus 7 equal to 7. Now we are going to take a square on both sides. So square root of x plus square root of x minus 7 whole square in left hand side, 7 square in right hand side. Now we are going to apply this algebra formula, that is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This formula we are going to apply here. So square root of x square plus square root of x minus whole square plus 2 times a is square root of x, b is square root of x minus 7 equal to 7 square. Now this square and square root will cancel each other. Now we have x plus this cancel each other, x minus 7 plus 2 times square root of x open bracket x minus 7 equal to 7 square is 49. Now we are moving this right hand side, so this x is 2x plus 2 times of square root of x times x minus 7 equal to 49. We are moving this right hand side, so plus 7. Now 2x plus 2 square root of x times x minus 7 equal to 56. Now take it 2 common from this, so 2 open bracket x plus square root of x open bracket x minus 7 equal to 56. Now divide by 2 on both sides. Here 2, here right hand side 2. Now this 2 cancels this, so x plus square root of x times x minus 7 equal to, simplify this, will get 28. So here 28. Now this we are moving right hand side, square root of x times x minus 7 equal to 28 minus x. Now square root of x times x minus 7 equal to 28 minus x. Now we are going to take square on both sides, so here square, here square. Now this square and square root will cancel each other, so we have x times x minus 7 equal to 28 minus x whole square. Now we are going to apply here algebra formula, that a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. This formula we are going to apply here, so we'll get x times x minus 7 equal to 28 square plus x square minus 2 times 28 x. Now multiply this x square minus 7x equal to 28 square plus x square minus this is 56x. Now this x square cancels this x square, so we have minus 7x equal to 28 square minus 56x. Now we are moving this minus x right hand side, so 0 equal to 28 square minus 56x plus 7x. Now minus this, so we'll get 28 square minus this comes 49x. Now we are moving this left hand side x value, so 49x equal to 28 square. Now this can be written as 49x equal to 28 times of 28. So now we know that 49 equal to 7 times of 7. So now we are going to divide by both sides by 49. So here 49, this side 7 times of 7. So simplify this, cancel. So x equal to 28 times of 28 by 7 times of 7. Now x equal to, here simplify this, we will get 4 here, simplify this 4. 4 times 4, which is x equal to 16. Now we are going to verify this with equation that square root of x plus square root of x minus 7 equal to 7. We are going to apply x equal to 16. So the equation here is square root of x plus square root of x minus 7 equal to 7. So here square root of 16, applying x value here. So 16 minus 7 in square root equal to 7. Now square root of 16 plus this is square root of 9 equal to 7. This is 4 square root of 16 is plus this is 3 square root of 9 equal to 7. So 4 plus 3 is 7 equal to 7. So LHS equal to RHS. This is verified. Thanks for watching this video.